Welcome back, everyone. You know, learning some new techniques, maybe it's flavor combinations or actually chef skills, can really take your cooking from so-so to pretty spectacular. There's a cooking school in Texas. It's one of the best in the world that actually offers courses to everyday chefs like you and me. And it's up to you. You can learn a little or you can learn a lot. Cedar planked salmon, grilled radicchio salad, and Pakistani lamb burgers. Talk about upping your game at your next backyard barbecue. You can do it.
When we portion the fish for typical grilling, I would have you cut it more on a bias.
Every Saturday, wannabe chefs, or just food lovers in general, get to kickstart their kitchen skills inside the famed, the one and only Culinary Institute of America Kitchens, the CIA. This one in San Antonio, one of only 3 CIA campuses in the country.
Yeah, just squeeze those and then pop out the pit.
Classes range from basic cooking and baking skills to healthy eating, all kinds of international flavors and exotic cuisines.
We are in the awesome teaching kitchens here at the CIA, and I'm with my Cajun friend Brandon, who knows all things culinary here at the Institute. So there are a variety of levels of classes you can take if you were interested in maybe if you're a novice, or really if you want to pursue a professional career.
Absolutely. This is a great way to, if you're interested in the field, if you're interested in the business, you might want to come and get a touch of kind of what we do.
Okay, so everyone breaks into teams, and these teaching kitchens are, each team has their own kitchen. You guys are team number 2. Team number 2.
Today's topic, everyday grilling.
You guys have your green onions here?
So what is the task you guys were assigned today?
We're doing spare ribs. We're doing a sauce, and now we're getting ready to do the salad that goes with it.
So what skills are you learning that you didn't know about? Because I don't know about you guys, but I've learned a lot. When I grill at home, it's pretty basic and simple. You're kind of getting into some detailed stuff.
Right. Grilling at home is a hot fire, a steak, and it's probably overcooked. Here we're doing sauces and some other nuances that make things a little bit more chefy as opposed to just the basic backyard.
You can assemble 15 of these.
You're making the dessert.
Yes, I'm making a fruit kebab.
War veteran Michael Crawford survived an IED attack in Afghanistan. He's here wanting to improve and adapt his cooking skills.
So what inspired you to take a class here?
I've always liked cooking from middle school on up. Then once I got hurt, I kind of fell out of it. And now that I'm getting a house that's modified for, I guess, wheelchair life, hoping to get back into it.
Top chefs from around the globe train at the CIA in New York, California, Singapore, and right here at the historic Pearl Brewery in San Antonio. Next door, full-time students get real-life experience at the CIA's award-winning restaurant, NAO.
Okay, I found, what is this, a cocoa nib and pepito?
And pepita tuile, so it's basically a little sugar crisp, and it has bitter cocoa nibs and pumpkin seeds, pepitas.
It is delicious. Tell us about the food at NAO.
We do pan-Latin cuisine, so we do everything from Chile to Mexico and everything in between. We like to put our own little twist on a lot of things. We start with really classic traditional preparations, ingredients, flavor profiles, and then we bring it into South Texas.
Those chef skills, those insider tricks, are the same level of culinary expertise available to anyone who participates in the Saturday session.
Are you learning anything?
We've had a great time today. There's an awful lot of knowledge that's been imparted, and then we get to do some hands-on skills, so it's been fun.
Who's the better cook?
He is.
And by the looks of this colorful feast, everyone aced the final exam.
Meet the latest graduates, awesome chefs in their own kitchen. Guys, a round of applause. That's amazing.
Time now for one of my favorite finds every week. I'm going to share some of my wine finds with you. And this week we're going to talk about rosé. Now, traditional rosé is not sweet. It's dry, crisp with minerality, hints of strawberries, sometimes cherries. And I brought some of my new finds right now for you to try. All of these wines are less than $20. Some quite a bit less. I'll give you the prices as well. Okay, we're going to start with the traditional style of rosé. It hails from one of the most beautiful places in the world, Provence, the south of France. This wine is very classic to what you would find if you were sitting in Saint-Tropez or somewhere fabulous on the beach and drinking rosé. Trien. It's dry, it's crisp, you're going to be getting a little bit of hint of fruit on the palate. Pairs beautifully with food. In fact, rosés of all kinds pair wonderfully with all different kinds of food. So whenever you're in doubt, pull a rosé out. Okay, moving on. This one is from Spain. This is from the Rioja region of Spain. This rosé is a bit fuller bodied than what you would find in France, and the fruit gets a little more intense, so it's a little more fruit forward, but it's not a sweet wine. And again, it's a wonderful hot weather wine, springtime, afternoon on the porch. This is a Tempranillo. So Tempranillo is the grape from the Rioja region, fuller bodied. It's a really good rosé as well. All right, why not save what just may be the very best? Save them for last. From Texas, our favorite friends at Becker Vineyard make a beautiful rosé. In fact, the Provençal won double gold at the San Francisco wine competition. So this is not a wine to ignore. It's a combination of Syrah, Mourvedre, and Grenache, a very classic French style of rosé. It's absolutely beautiful, classic flavors, some minerality, strawberry, not a sweet wine, dry, crisp. I love this wine, so cheers to the Becker Vineyard folks for making an award-winning rosé. Ready for a relaxing weekend getaway? Coming up, we'll show you how you could win a weekend at the Houstonian. Details in just a minute. Who wouldn't love a getaway? An easy, relaxing vacay in your own backyard. Check this out. Head to Goodtaste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful, award-winning Trellis Spa. Remember, if you missed anything in today's show, you can always get it online at goodtaste.tv. That's where you'll find my recipe for that delicious Rudy's creamed corn, plus lots of other recipes too. Till next time, everyone, we're saving you a seat at the table. Cheers to good taste.